Let's take our drawings to the next level by adding details, a background, and color. Your first step is to design your kind or helpful robot. Now it's time to add a background or scenery and details to your picture. Here are some things to pay attention to that will help create more depth in your background. Objects that are closer to the viewer will have more details. You can read the name on the closer boat, but the boat in the background you cannot tell what the name is. Don't forget to put a horizon line in your picture and overlap areas that are larger and in the front. Remember that objects that are closer to the viewer are going to be lower on the page, and objects that are farther away are going to be higher on the page. Also, the size of the objects will give you depth. Closer objects will be bigger, and objects that are farther away will be smaller. And when you add color, objects that are closer will be darker, and objects that are farther will be lighter. If I wanted to add birds to this picture, I would think about where I want to position each bird. Birds that are closer to the viewer are going to be larger, and birds that are farther away are going to be smaller. Remember that objects in real life have shadows, so if you give your objects in your picture shadows, it'll add to the depth of your picture. You can give your objects more form by adding a little shading on one side. It'll be the opposite side of the light source. And finally, you're going to add color to your entire picture. Add to the depth of your picture and the form of your objects by mixing colors. Once you've designed your kind or helpful robot, drawn a background and details, and colored the entire page, you are complete. I cannot wait to see what you create.